Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Elecon Engineering Limited. This company is with the good financials and currently the stock is very bullish and the volumes is also showing that the bullishness of the stock is keep on increasing. And let us analyze the stock on monthly basis. This is the monthly chart of Elecon Engineering. On listing, the stock hyped, but it could not sustain at the level of 300 and fell drastically with huge fall. And once the stock bottomed out here, it tried to break above the resistance level here. Now I will draw a major confluence area in the stock. This can be taken as the major confluence area. I have reasons behind it because the stock keep on trying to beat out this range, but stock failed repeatedly. I think the stock may come out of this range now because the stock is quite bullish right now. Look at the volume here. The volume signifies that the stock is currently in the bull run. So one can go long positions in this stock because the candles also shows a good bull run here. Now before moving to the weekly chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that we will be encouraged to do videos on regular basis, and hit like button if you like the videos, and if you have any queries feel free to comment below and suggest us some stocks which should be analyzed on our style. Now in this weekly chart, look at the candles here. The candles are very huge. The price range is nearly 30-40 percentage within a month, and the stock also rallied more than 5 times within a year, and now the stock is currently at the major confluence area. So this confluence area this confluence area will be acting as the major support and resistance levels for the stock. The stock is currently above the confluence area because this is the weekly candle, so the bearishness is seen in this candle. But let's move to the daily chart. I will show what's happening really in this chart. Look at the candles here. The volume is more than average and the stock is currently at the major resistance level. Look at the black line here. The black line currently shows the previous all-time high. The black line can signify as a major resistance or support line. Currently the stock is just below the resistance line in the daily chart, but if you move to the 4-hour chart, the stock is different. The stock is currently reaching the resistance after hitting the resistance zone. The stock after hitting the resistance also formed a bullish candle here with a good volume, and at last it formed a strong pin bar here. It's a one hour candle. The pin bar shows that bulls are in control in the stock, so we can go long in the stock, and the candles also quite strong in this region. Now I will draw a major line of support for the stock, so this can be taken as the support region and one can go long in the stock. This stock may give a good return in short term, so I can give the entry and exits. One can take entry above the range of 213. 213 can be taken as the entry for the stock, and 222 can be taken as the target, first target, and 235 range can be taken as the second target for the stock. 235 can be taken as the ideal target because the bullishness in the charts and the volumes signifies that bulls are in control, so one can take trade if the stock crosses above 113. 113 can be taken as the entry and 123 can be taken as the target, first target, and 136 can be taken as the second target. And that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button. Please subscribe to our channel so that you will get the informations of the videos published immediately. Make sure you hit the bell button, and if you have any doubts and queries, feel free to comment below. We will respond as soon as possible. And thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.